Mechanical Science. In this video, we'll be continuing with the Aptitude series. So this video, we'll discuss about pipes and cisterns. So we know what is a pipe, right? Pipe is something that conducts or transmits or transfers fluids. So the fluids can be like liquid in nature or solid, gaseous in nature. So anything that flows is fluid, right? So all the things that flows and that can be transferred, the transferring method is called pipe. And cisterns, these are storage mediums like tanks, sumps, and other mediums where we can collect these transferred fluids. It can be liquid or gaseous in nature. So in these sort of problems, what we'll discuss is, in most cases, we'll be discussing about pipes transferring some sort of fluid into a tank, into a type of cistern like a tank or something, and we will be trying to find out what will be the time taken to fill the tank, or if one pipe is taken and if there is one pipe that is leaking out the leaking out the fluid, what will be the time taken to fill the tank, or what will be the time taken to empty the tank. And these sort of problems we will be discussing with this pipes and cisterns. Okay, we'll see what are these. So um, mostly what we will have is the question will be like, in basics there will be like A and B are pipes. So all the variables like A and B, we'll call them as pipes. So pipe, mostly the question will be like A can fill the cistern in m hours, then part of the cistern filled by, so if the question says A can be filled, A can fill the tank or that particular cistern in m hours, then what we should do is we should immediately write down the part of the cistern filled, part of the tank filled is filled by the pipe A is 1 by m part of the cistern. So there will be another part of the question where it says B can empty the cistern in n hours. So we will complete the filling of the tank in n hours. So what you should write down is, we should immediately write down as the amount of liquid filled in the cistern is, or the amount of cistern filled by the B is in 1 hour is 1 by n part. So work done by A plus B for that particular duration will be 1 by m plus 1 by n. So in 1 hour, actually I have written it wrong. So it should be like work done by A plus B in 1 hour. So work done will be 1 by m plus 1 by n. So we get, so we take the common as mn. So we cross multiply and we get m plus n. So the formula becomes, time taken will be A for A and B. I mean, when they both are open to fill the tank, then it will be mn by m plus n. So we should know that the work done per day and total number of hours taken to empty or fill the cistern are reciprocals. Okay, so we'll move on. We'll try it with a problem. So here it says two. I'll just read out the problem first, then we'll discuss about how to answer this. Two filling pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. Here you should note, make a note that we should, we should be keen about what is the unit given. If it is minutes or hours, or if it is day, it should also be taken into concern. So to fill the cistern, A takes 20 minutes and B takes 30 minutes to fill respectively. Both the pipes are open together. So when both the pipes are open together, what we will do? We add them. Okay. Next, but pipe B is closed after few minutes. Here there's a twist. So pipe B is closed for few minutes. We don't know after what time. After how many minutes is pipe B is closed if cistern is full in 16 minutes? Okay, I'll explain the question. So pipe A takes 20 minutes. So what we do is we write A equal to 1 by 20 of the cistern. 1 by 20th part of the cistern is filled by pipe A. And pipe B takes 30 minutes. So B takes 1 by 30th of the cistern in 1 hour. Okay, to complete it. So when both are open, so what we do is we would usually write 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 of A and 1 by 30 for B. So A has been opened till the cistern is full. So part of A cistern is filled by A is 1 by 20 into 16. Why do you do that? Because they say that the tank is full at 16th minute. B is only closed at I mean after a certain amount of time. So A is open all this time. So what we do is we write A is 1 by 20 into 16. The whole minute we write it. So we get 4 by 5. So 4/5 of the cistern is filled by A. So there is only 1/5 to be filled by part B, by the B tank. So what will be the time taken? Time taken by pipe B is 1/5 into 30. So 30 minutes is what it takes to fill, right? So 1/5 into 30 we get 6 minutes. So we can find out that we can understand that after 6 minutes after pipe B is closed. So pipe B is open only for 6 minutes and then later it was closed. The rest 10 minutes it remained closed. Are you able to understand? Good. We'll move on to the next one. Filling pipe A can fill an empty cistern in 24 minutes. So A can fill it in 24 minutes, and emptying pipe B can empty the same full cistern in 32 minutes. So for filling A takes 24 minutes, for emptying it B takes 32 minutes. Both the pipes A and B are open together, but pipe B was closed after a few minutes. Like same previous question, pipe B is closed after a few minutes. So leaking the emptying part is closed. So only filling is there. After how many minutes was pipe B closed if the cistern is full in 30 minutes? Okay. So here what we do is we do the similar thing again. We take the reciprocal. A is 1 by 24, B is 1 by 32 of the cistern. A is opened till the cistern is full. For the full 30 minutes it was open. So it is 1 by 24 into 30, we get 5 by 4. So 1/4 part is extra filled by A, which is emptied by B. So 1/4 part is the extra that is emptied by B. So time taken by pipe B is 1/4 into 32. So 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, pipe B is closed. Are you able to understand? We'll try one more problem. So here, a filling pipe A can fill an empty cistern in 27 minutes, and an emptying pipe B can empty the same cistern in 45 minutes. Both pipes A and B are open together, but pipe B is closed after 15 minutes. What is the total time taken to fill the cistern? So it is the similar problem again, but what you will do is try to answer it by your own, and then you can pause the video, try to answer, try to solve down the problem, and then see if the answer is same. So again, I hope you have tried it on your own. So what you'll do is we'll try to solve this again. As from the question, we do the same thing. A is 1 by 27, B is 1 by 45. A has been opened till the cistern is full. So for the full 45 minutes, it is open. So part of cistern is emptied by. So part of cistern is emptied by B. So the B part that is emptied is 1 by 45 into 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, for 15 minutes only it was open. So it is 1 by 3. So 1 plus 1 by 3 part is filled by A. So because it has to fill the tank, right? So even when it is drained out, we have to include that as well. So adding 1 plus 1 by 3, how do you do it? You can take the common. So common is 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it becomes 4 by 3. Time taken by pipe A is 4 by 3 multiplied by 27 minutes. So 27 minutes is what it takes to fill it, right? So 4 by 3 into 27 is 36 minutes. The total time taken to fill the cistern by A is 36 minutes. So I will also share India Mix questions for pipes and cisterns. So you can try it out.